Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies, and as always, your host, the Master Crayon Eater, which on the menu today is a 24-pack of crayons. I'm super excited to eat this 24-pack of crayons, and welcome back, my amazing co-host.
That's right. I missed yesterday.
Yeah, you did, but we had Jay. Thanks again, Jay, for covering for John yesterday. We had a pretty solid episode. I like what we did yesterday.
It was funny.
Pretty solid. It was pretty good. Strong. It's pretty Apes strong. You know what? Again, we're Apes strong again today. We're coming out the gates. Dare I say AMC to $100?
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop, man.
Do we really? Are we really gonna deny the Apes?
Hey, it's running after hours.
It's running after hours. It's it's like one of these things. It's like, do I really want it?
Is it too late?
It's never too late. If you're gonna FOMO trade this, FOMO trade it. Be an ape. Be a crayon eater like I am. Let's go. But with that, if you guys want to find out more, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. It definitely helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Comment down in the section below what you guys want us to cover, and then we're gonna get into it after this banging new intro. All right, John, you may miss one day, but we will keep changing these intro songs. We're going to forever change these intro songs.
I love our intro songs.
I know. Let's get to it. We have a pretty full day for you guys today. Let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ and see where we stand for today. John, what did you see on the NASDAQ today?
Today was all right. Today was a choppy day. Well, it was somewhat expected, first of all, because the past couple of days, the market had a nice run. Okay, we can't go 3 in a row.
No, we're not allowed to have nice things as retail investors. You always gotta expect. Oh, choppy day.
Can't let us win.
Never let us win. We can never have nice things, John. So today, we ended up positive, but still, that's still a bear hammer. That means that there was a top was hit and a sell-off happened. So this is where we're looking at another few choppy days. Yeah. In my opinion, we're looking at potentially tomorrow as a choppy day. We might see a retest of highs on Friday or on Thursday.
You called it too yesterday. You said, a couple of consolidation days, choppy days.
Couple of consolidation, choppy days. It's just normal. This is like, John told me this when I first started trading. I was like, yeah, you see one chart, when you look at one chart one too many times, and you already could predict everything is going to happen. Yeah. Not saying that we have the crystal ball or anything, but if we're going to look at historical data and historical charting, this is what happens. Unless there's some monument event that just the market just runs for umpteen days. But what happens is a nice poppy day, and then consolidation before we retest to the upside, or the chart just totally breaks down. There's only 2 options, really. Or 3 options. But today was one of those days where we hit a top and we sold off, but we didn't sell and we didn't go below previous highs. So that means that it's just a normal choppy day, and we're keeping levels. One thing to note, though, on the Q chart, John, which I really do like, is the fact that the EMA 9 crossed over the 50.
Yep. Short-term bullish. So, choppy up to the upside. If this EMA 9 ever crosses over the 20, we're in it to win it. You guys see this MACD just opening it up. We're still not oversold by any means. So again, it's just normal. If you're holding on to positions and you're letting plays mature, this is it. This is it to hold and let it mature. Let's take a look at NASDAQ futures. That seems like a fake pump right there. I don't believe this one.
NASDAQ futures?
No, I don't believe.
Yeah, I don't believe it either.
Yeah, that one, it has to create a low wick, and we're not seeing it. So, I wouldn't trust this candle right here. Yeah, we're up 27 right now, but really tomorrow pre-market is where it's at. So,
yep.
Definitely. I think tomorrow might be a buy the dip scenario. If I really want to get like a nice wick here so we know that we're bouncing. It's a healthy bounce, right? A healthy dip. It's always good to have a healthy dip. Let's take a look at the SPY. Yeah, same thing for the SPY. It really didn't do a whole hell of a lot of much today. Still positive. Negative for the day. Negative for the day, but
it was choppy.
Again, it was very choppy. It's still very choppy. Choppy down.
Oh, choppy day.
Oh, choppy down. That is. Oh man, but I do think that tomorrow could be a scenario where we could see the SPY move up a little bit higher. There are a lot of meme stocks that are going to are slightly going to be pushing up a little bit. We'll talk about some of that today. Let's take a look at the SPY futures. Yep, that's still kind of like a fake out. But however, look at this, John. Flagpole, potential flag.
Yeah. It ain't gonna be tomorrow, most likely.
No. Thursday for sure. No, I wouldn't say for sure. Thursday possible. And today we're gonna move forward to the stocks that we want to cover. The first one is we're gonna be reviewing AMC. I know we were covering AMC. AMC again. And it's so good. It's too good. And the stock is too good to be true. And for the people who have been following the AMC trade for quite some time now, we're at levels that are oversold on the daily chart. But I think that the hedges are just starting to cover their positions.
Dude, so where are you at with your position?
I'm close to 500% on my calls. So I'm gonna give you guys a timetable of where I was for my trade. So I started accumulating roughly around here, right around here actually. I wanted the $11 strike, so I bought the $11 strike, and it dipped a little bit more. So I ended up adding up to 8 contracts. My average was like around 99 cents. Sheesh. And then I've been holding it since here. Like I've been holding it all throughout. So just a straight.
It's so funny.
Everybody on the Discord doesn't even call it AMC anymore. It's just AM shush.
It's so funny.
Man, we're holding it. We're holding AMC until it totally breaks down. We've seen this before. This is something that the hedge funds have been shorting AMC for so long. There was some word that AMC has been. The hedge funds are shorting these stocks naked, so they're borrowing shares from other companies in order for them to short the stocks. And evidence maybe or maybe not be out there, but what is true is the fact that fundamentally AMC is starting to, it's a reopening play. Vaccinations are happening. People are starting to get vaccinated. People are starting to pile into the movie theaters. And we're going to see, we're probably going to see a little bit more to the upside. If this does do a short squeeze, right, in terms of the hedge fund short squeeze as a meme stock, what's to say that it's not going to hit $100?
Stop.
A lot of. No, I mean, I'm just saying, as the master crayon eater, as your chief financial crayon eater here, there are some financial YouTubers that will say that AMC is going to go to $100,000. They're going to go to $375K or $500K. Oh, let's not go nuts. All right, let's take a look at it from a realistic perspective, and the realist in me is actually saying $1,000, but John doesn't want me. John doesn't want me to say $1,000. It's we're gonna hit realistically. If we hit $50 on this squeeze, I might start taking some money off the table at this point. I am trading this in a way that it's super tight. Every dollar that it moves up, I'm moving my stop loss. So currently it's trading at 16. It's currently trading 16. Let's take a look at after hours because there was some after hours action.
It hit 1725.
So so you see right here, I have an alert for 1610. So it ever hits 16, that's when I start taking money off the table. Mm-hmm. But after hours, if we take a look at after hours, it hit 1728. faded a little bit. This kind of got me scared right here. Like it triggered the alert, but good thing we're not. I can't take it off the table because they're calls. But we're still riding that EMA 9 on the 15. So let's more to come tomorrow. It might we just might trade sideways for the next 2 days. And as long as the $16 level is held, I am comfortable holding. And as the dollar value goes up, I'm moving the goalposts so that I can protect my capital, protect my profits whenever I see. The next stock that we're going to cover is Palantir. John, what do you see on Palantir?
I don't see anything in Palantir. It keeps faking us out, man. Cost.
I know. You know what's annoying about Palantir
is like, you know, the love of the love of your life that never existed.
It's like that girl that you always wanted to ask in high school to like a dance or a prom, and you just never did. Or you know what? Better yet, Palantir is the girl that put you in the friend zone.
That too.
It just puts you in the friend zone, like, like it gives you like $22, and you're like, not gonna happen, buddy. Like,
$22. That's 2 tickets to the movies, man, at AMC.
I know. It's that one girl that called you kuya right on the first day you meet her.
Oh, brother. Don't you just love that?
Oh my God. Anyway, I'm not your brother.
When it comes to Palantir right here, tomorrow it's not really promising at all. You have a couple of supports right here. So one at 2106 and one at 2081. Okay. 2 key levels to watch out for. You just got to watch for those two. However, if today the highs got sold off, okay, it barely even touched the EMA 50. So that means this one's going to slightly dip a little bit lower. But who knows, really? If we have a nice green day tomorrow in the markets, then this might break. But it needs a little, more than enough for when it comes to volume, because today was a little dry, I would say. Palantir is also a meme stock, believe it or not.
Yeah, believe it or not, it is also a meme stock. But fundamentally, it's a solid company.
I know.
Let's not forget that.
When is it going to come back to life, man?
I don't know. We need it to come back to life. But here's a key level, though, that besides what John said, I am actually taking a look at this right here, right? This is where it kind of got rejected, roughly around the 22, 25 mark, roughly around there. As you guys see right there, it kind of got rejected 22, 13-ish. If we go past the 22, 23, 24, 25 mark, I think we're in it to win it. But this candle, this inverted, although it's green, it's an inverted cross. I don't have that much hope for it. Again, worst case scenario, it goes sideways before we move up to the upside.
Hopefully,
I am hoping.
Yeah.
The next stock that we want to cover is KOSS.
COSS.
KOSS is actually squeezed today.
Yeah.
Very interesting on KOSS from a good 1686 all the way to 2078. Now that's 22% move on cost. KOSS is also one of the stocks from Wall Street Bets that are being heavily shorted. John, what's that short interest like?
The short interest from April last month is at 56%. Okay, meaning the float right now, it only has 8.5 million shares available to be traded to the public. So meaning 4 million shares are short. So once they cover, just imagine once they cover. Okay, if you want to scale back to what happened back in January, COSS ran from $3.
$2.95 all the way to $127.
Give it like 4 days, it hit $127.
Yep, that's how fast short squeezes work too. If you're not watching that, you would have caught it right here, bought it at 127 because you thought you were going to be doing more, and it just faded away. So again, that's the reason why you manage your risk when it comes to these short squeezes.
For this one, you can't trade options on this one because it's technically it's a penny stock, but really it's a low cap stock valued at almost $200 million as a market cap. But really, the key levels that you watched out for today, it broke all 3 resistances, which was a very strong move for today. Plus, it had volume. It had 5 million in volume, and normally it trades around 1 million, 1.4, so 5 times on a normal basis. So today it broke the 9, the 20, and the 50. Okay, so if you guys want to get back on this one, 19 maybe. 1875. Got your entry right there. Buy like 100 shares.
Yeah, just ride it.
Throw a bone at it.
Throw a bone at it. You know what I mean?
Put in $2,000. Come out with like, I don't know, $100,000. I'm just saying.
Hey. So you're telling me that it's possible for AMC to hit $1 million per share? Is that
possible for COSS to move?
Mountains.
Mountains. Within 120 within like a 4-day period. Come on, man.
Possible. Again, if you guys are following us on our trades, make sure that you guys manage yours accordingly. This is not financial advice by any means. These are trades that John and I see and potentially wanting to enter. And if you guys are following our trades, manage your risk accordingly. I can't say that enough. If you guys are winning, make sure that you guys give us a subscribe. Make sure that you guys hit us a nice post on Instagram to say that you got the stock from us. You know what I mean? Or if you guys lose some money, we're not to blame because we did warn you. The next stock that we want to cover is from our good friend Vince, who is also he's actually the behind the scenes master for our whole operation here. So shout out Vince. Thank you for your support. And the stock that he wants us to cover is Axon. Axon makes body cameras for the police, right, John?
Yeah. So Axon, it's actually a decent sized company. Okay. So right now, we saw Palantir's candle, how it ended up with an upside down doji. Okay. So that kind of looks like a gravestone doji, really. So for this one right here, if you look at the EMA 20, and God, I love the moving averages because they don't lie. Look at that. It clean rejection on the 20 at 134.29 ish. Yeah, see that line right there? Clean rejection, meaning the top is not ready yet. It got sold off. That upper candle right there, that wick, the upper wick right there, that's an indication of it got sold off. Okay, so pretty much it opened where it closed where it opened.
Yep.
There you go. That's what I was trying to say.
It was flat even.
Yeah, and thank God it didn't break support at 130. So that's the key level to watch out for tomorrow at 130. If you guys want to initiate a position, 130 is where I would want to buy. But if that breaks through and closes below 130, then I don't know, maybe hold off on it. But this one, I mean, with all the mass shooting going on, in the nation, this might be a hype stock. So
definitely. One thing to note though is that because it didn't break, it kind of gave us another opportunity to enter the stock. So watch this for tomorrow. One thing to note is the MACD just touched and is about to cross over. So that could definitely be a key indicator for some volume to start pushing in. Where it's still not oversold nor overbought on the RSI. It's a healthy RSI to me, and I think this can be a nice move to the upside and swing. Anything else you see on this, John?
That's it.
That's about it. So that is it for us today on Daddy Bits. If you haven't yet, make sure that you guys follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C. Trades. Follow us both at Trading Daddies, tradingdaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Robinhood sucks for 15% off your entire purchase. I just dropped 2 new designs yesterday. The Ape Strong Together t-shirts are up on the website. So if you guys want to cop that, make sure that you guys check it out. If you guys haven't yet, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. And if you guys want us to cover any stocks, drop them down in the comment section down below. And please hit up our friends over at Bust Down Investments if you are looking to get started on trading. Classes are going to be the classes are already started. right? But we do have other packages where you can still hop in if you still want to brush up on some trading, some learnings, try to see if there's any other strategies you want to implement, and then just try to see if there are inefficiencies in your game that you might want to improve on, right? So it's still going. Hit up our friends over at Bust Down Investments if you guys want to know more information about that. And that is all for us. Let's get trading. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.